I have two handsome young men standing in front of me, but only one picture in my hand, and that will be the father of this child. The name I call must immediately step forward, and the name I do not call must immediately head back to your car and go back to your wife and your family. David, amazing young man, handsome, great sex, amazing sex, but you're broke, you're a bum. And the father for my child should be financially well off. This is my first child. After all the abortions I did, I want a great father for my child. Michael, handsome young man, great job, great bank account, amazing career, but you have a wife and you have a family. I'm not sure if I want to destroy that, but hey, I need a good man for my father of my child. Who will be the father of my child? Michael, congratulations, you're the father of my child.